Hello from the Philippines. Yes, thank you so much. So we're heading to the famous tunnel right here in Vietnam. So we're so glad that we're a part of this tour. Later on at 10 o'clock, we'll be heading fly back to the Philippines. So we're so happy that we're able to bump with a travel agency and just promoted this kind of travel. So we immediately afford this tunnel, the tour because they said that once you're here in Vietnam, you have to see the famous tunnel. Okay, so with me are my friends. Okay, they're here. We do not know what nationalities these people are. Let me check. Okay, so we are only Filipinos right here. I have not seen any Filipino, no, our counterpart. And we are here in one of the hotels here in Phuket. I think we're actually fetching tourists to be with us in this tour package going to the tunnel. So that's very nice. That's a very nice experience. Wala pa na. So we only have here different types of personalities. Ayan. Isang maulan na morning po sa lahat. There's a heavy rain outside. I think this is all throughout Vietnam. But we're too excited to be there, guys. Na yung mga lalahi, din nga lahi. Yung ko nga, meron po tayong mga iba't ibang lahi na sasama po sa atin sa tour na ito. Dito po ay may sinusunod tayo sa Astoria Hotel. Yung isang kasama po natin mamaya. Okay? So, isang maulan na umaga po. Guys, first experience na mapabilang po tayo sa mga tourist dito po sa Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. At pupunta po kami doon sa tinatawag nilang napakatanyag na tunnel, no? So, dito po yan sa Vietnam. Kumbaga kung nagbi-Vietnam ka man lang, ay puntahan mo na yung tinatawag nila na tunnel. Kasama po natin ngayon ay mga tourist po galing ng iba't ibang bansa. So, meron tayo. Do not know yun sa may bandang likuran kung ano talagang anong nationality nila. So ngayon ay sinusundo lahat ng mga tourists na nag-aabil po ng ganitong mga travel. Okay?